Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. This is second part of unboxing and first impression of the latest purchases, basically these were either recommended or I saw a good review for them, so I purchased them on basis of good review or recommendation. And let's see how they go in basically the first sniff, see what it is. Alright, I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. If you have any question, put it down there and let's do this without any further ado. Okay, so the first one in this video is going to be Route 66 Feel the Freedom. Route 66 Routes for Freedom. So this one, at the moment, if you go on Perfume Click, you can find it under £10, which is a bargain. Okay, so for 100 ml, and this one I think is a fresh aromatic, and few people were praising it. Okay, so simple bottle, but it does the job perfectly. The cap is plastic, and let's see the atomizer. The atomizer should be good. Okay, the atomizer is not bad. It's not the best, but it's okay. It does the job. Okay, so how it is? Classic. So it's basically barbershoppy, fougere, barbershoppy, masculine, spicy, citrusy, woody. It's got lavender. Yeah, beautiful. So this is, if you want your classic masculine fragrance, this is for you, under £10 for 100 ml, and it smells good. Wow, what else do you want? So if you want classic, this is the one. It reminds me of something. What is that? Oh my god, it reminds me of very basically famous 80s fragrance, but I can't think of it now. But basically, when you smell it, you think, okay, wow, is it Aramis? No, it's not Aramis. Is it Azaro? Anyway, it's a classic, and it reminds you of those classic era. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is Nikki Beach. Again, this one is for 100 ml under £10. I leave the description below where you can find them for the cheapest. And also, if you want to do your research, Google them and go and see the reviews, you can do that as well. Okay, so this one is called Nikki Beach Beach Party for Him. Beach Party for Him. So this I'm expecting to be fresh. Basically, gives you the feel of the seaside. And let's have a look. Okay, the bottle is quite unusual, cute. Look at the bottle. It's quite unusual and cute, and it's got a blue hue to it. So it goes from clear to blue. Okay, so it reminds you of the seaside. That's a good sign. And let's see. Okay, the cap. Wow, the cap is good quality, heavy. All right. So how is the atomizer? The atomizer. Okay, the atomizer is not bad, but it's not the best. Alright, so come on, where are you? Alright, so Nikki Beach Beach Party. Yeah, the seaside. Okay, so you can smell the suntan lotion to it. Okay, wow, it's like suntan lotion. It's very good. Wow, for under £10, this is fantastic. Wow, it's got a little bit of sweetness to it. It's fresh. Wow, there's something in it. It's some sort of floral. Okay, I can't think of it now. Wow, this is good for under £10. I'm impressed. Very good. Basically, suntan lotion, seaside feel to it, a little bit of sea breeze. It's not oceanic. It's not salty at all. The reverse, it smells sweet. Actually, it's sweet, but you can smell the suntan lotion, which is very impressive. Wow, it's good. At least on paper, I don't know on the skin. Okay, so this was good, basically name for a beach party. It smells a little bit boozy as well, okay? Alright, so let's go to the next one. The next one is Carrera Jeans Uomo. Carrera Jeans Uomo, and this is 700 original. Carrera Jeans Uomo 700 original. Big name, huh? But this is Carrera. Carrera is again an Italian house. They've been making fragrances for a long time. They have a few in their lineup, and this is the latest one. I think this came out 2019 or 2018, one of them. Okay, so as you can see, very cute. It's like a jean effect on it. It's basically material jean, and it says 700 original Carrera Jeans Uomo. Very cute. Let's see the cap. The cap is plastic, nothing to brag about. Let's see the atomizer. Very good atomizer. Okay, how this one? So Carrera Jean Uomo. Pretty. Wow, this is very familiar. What is this? Wow, fantastic. Very good. So it's a little bit powdery. Fruity, powdery, little bit of, wow, what's that? Is it lavender giving a powderiness? So it is quite, this one is absolutely unisex. The last one, Nikki Beach, was unisex as well, so you could easily, men and women, wear it. And this one too. So it's got very strong citrus in the beginning. So the citruses are quite sweet and sour. Okay, sweet and sour citrus. It's got neroli as well. Wow, this is very complex for a, you know, basically when you see the presentation you think, okay, it's going to be very simple, fresh fragrance, but it's not. It's quite complex. So it's got few citruses. I think it's got grapefruit in the beginning, at least. Grapefruit, lemon, lime, and then it goes to lavender, and the lavender gives it a little bit of powderiness, but it's very more complex. It's got some floral in the background as well. So it's got some sort of neroli or some sort of white floral, okay? Wow, this is beautiful, and it's got a basically backbone of woodiness, okay? I'm very impressed with this one. Very cute. I really like it. Okay, so again, if you go online, you can find it for a very good price. This is retail for £70, but at the moment you can find it for 20 quid in Perfume Click. Again, as I said, I'll leave the description below where you can find them. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Jaguar, which is one of my favorite houses, as you know by now. Some of you might know. Jaguar for Men Privé, okay? Jaguar for Men Privé. Again, this one came out 2019. This is the latest one. I like almost all Jaguar fragrances, especially the original one, Jaguar for Men, the green one. That's one of my favorite. And the presentation, as always, very simple, but it does the job perfectly. This is EDT. And the bottle is a classic bottle, again, but with a different hue. This one is a brown hue to it. Okay, and let's see the atomizer. What happened there? Okay, so the atomizer should be good on this. Yeah, very good atomizer. Jaguar always good atomizers. Okay, so Jaguar for Men Privé. Jaguar for Men Privé. Okay, it's complete departure from the original one. This is quite woody, and wow, this is again familiar, very familiar. I've smelled this before, but it's very, very cute. Little bit, I'm not saying a copycat, but a little bit reminds me of Terre de Hermes, okay? So it's got that orange beginning, and it's got the vetiver. It's a little bit green, but overall it's very cute. So again, it's not a copycat, but it reminds me of Terre de Hermes, okay? Again, under £20, I'll leave the description below where you can find it. Okay, let's go to the next one. This one was 100 ml. Alright, let's go to the next, the last but not least. This is Jaguar for Men Gold in Black. Jaguar for Men Gold in Black. Okay, so this one again 2019 release, and let's see how this one goes. So simple box, it does the job perfectly. It's a golden box, this one, and this ooh, what a cute bottle! Look at that. The bottle is so cute. It's a black, complete black. You can't even see through, and with the gold writing, and the cap is very cute as well. Okay. Very impressed. Look at this. Golden atomizer, and the sprayer should be good. Very good sprayer, fantastic. Okay, so Gold in Black by Jaguar came out last year. EDT 100 ml. Oh, this is good. So it's quite ambery, okay? Wow, fantastic. I love this one. The last one was very good, but this one is fantastic. Oh, this is familiar again. Where have I smelled this? Oh my god, it's very difficult to when it reminds me of something and then you can't remember it. It's very bad. But I smelled this before many times, okay? So quite familiar, nothing original, but it's got a huge punch to it. First of all, it's very masculine. It's very woody, so the backbone of woodiness is probably cedar, and there's a little bit of sandalwood in there as well. It's got a little bit of floral, and it's got a little bit of fruitiness to it. And the citruses are quite sour again, sour sweet citrus, okay? But I smelled this many times before, I can't remember what. But very cute, very beautiful, very masculine, very manly, okay? I heard very good things about this one, and it is very good. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. That was the unboxing and first impression. If you have any question, put it down there. If you know any of these, please let other people know about them and what you think of them, the performance and all that good things. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.